May nabasa akong post. Isang fangirl gusto angkinin si Stel. Nakakatuwa naman si fangirl pero okay lang yan. At least inspired na inspired siya at admired na admired. Sabi nga, mas mabuting gawin mong inspiration sa buhay araw-araw ang taong gustong gusto mo, ang taong crush mo, lalo na mga artista or singer like Stel. Pero dapat alagaan din ang sarili, mahalin ang sarili. O di ba?
Watch out for her dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time. Never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up. Look at you all made up. Dirty thoughts are seeping into my mind. I can't wait up. Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she